We need hands.
Give me your hand.
Guys, I'm gonna have to let go whoever doesn't have hands. She's got them. Legs, get legs.
Let's go your hand. Quit bracing your hand.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
A man at a security checkpoint. A flight he was about to miss. A side gate that opened for half a second. What followed involved a federal felony statute, a multi-officer takedown, and a court date he never showed up for. Orlando International Airport, May 24th, 2024. A 20-year-old forces his way through TSA screening. The legal stakes are higher than the body cam suggests, because what looks like a state misdemeanor is, by federal definition, something else entirely.
Tango 221, and we got one fighting in lane 13 TSA. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Relax. 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 What's the problem? What do you need?
Ain't nobody gonna find me nowhere to sleep if I don't make my flight. Can you stop touching me?
Is he cleared? Secure. Stop resisting. Don't resist.
Stop touching me then.
Hey, call for more units. Listen, we don't want to hurt you. Have a seat on the ground.
No, y'all don't give a about me.
Okay, I do. I do.
Where I'ma sleep at? You gonna let me in your house? Hell no.
All right, have a seat. Have a seat on the ground.
I don't live here. Let me sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. Thank you. Sit down. Sit down.
They rolling me. I don't feel comfortable with y'all.
Get a taser! Get it!
I'm trying to get out.
We need hands! We need hands! We need hands!
Two magazines. Make sure you check your hand.
Guys, I'm gonna have to let go whoever doesn't have hands. She's got them. Legs! Get legs!
Let's go your hand. Quit bracing your hand.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Let's get legs!
Get this hand. This hand.
I got it.
Get this hand.
I have it. I have it. Gotta give us a little bit of room.
Give him a little room. Pull him back.
Give him a little room.
Pull him back.
I got this arm,
Hold on.
okay?
I'll grab his legs.
this
Give him a
leg.
little
Grab
bit of
this
room.
leg.
I need that.
Legs bent or not. Stop resisting, Orlando Police.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Breathe.
Everybody
Well,
relax.
stop resisting.
Easy hand.
Okay.
Slow down, guys.
His hand is right here.
Guys, slow down.
That hand.
Where is his other arm at?
I got
Right
it.
here.
Right
We
there.
got this one underneath. So we're gonna bring it up. No, that way.
Listen. We're going to roll your arm up. You're going to put your hand behind your back. If you keep resisting, you run the risk of getting hurt. Do you understand?
Do you understand?
I
just said I.
Roll him back.
Damn.
I got him over just a little bit. Here, pin that arm. I'm gonna come to the other side.
Hold on, bro.
Thank you. Now,
I got
pin that hand.
you.
I'm coming around you.
All right.
Stop, brother.
Yeah.
Don't resist.
I got this arm. Let the cuff go. There we go. Now cuff.
We're still fighting there. There we go. We got one security.
All right, let's roll.
Make sure he's got no weapons in his waistband.
Bro, let go of me. What
You're not in charge here.
You ain't in
You wanted to act up. This is what happened.
Let me tell y'all this shit trying to punch a bitch.
You wanted to act up. This is what you did.
Why the hell we paying for shit we ain't got to pay for? Y'all need to be arresting the government.
You have this?
Yes.
Hold that.
You're good.
What the hell you got gloves for?
Can you search him? Okay.
Y'all ain't doing shit for the community for real. Y'all are wasting air. Ain't doing shit for the environment.
All right, let's start taking him out.
Which way do you want to go?
Let's take him to the office spot first. He's got his slipper. Where's his other slipper? Just behave yourself and walk. Let's go. Just put him in the office now. Let him sit down for a second.
Yeah, let's search him one more time.
Yep.
No, I don't have anything, bro. Let me sit down. It's just got some weak ass shit.
Hey, it's over.
It's not.
over.
You gotta get home, nigga. Y'all gotta miss their flights. I ain't get on that shit. I ain't got no way to go. You know, about me. Y'all let me.
Title 49, United States Code, Section 46,314, makes it a federal crime to knowingly enter an airport area in violation of TSA security requirements. Up to 1 year in prison. Up to 10 years if the entry is made with intent to evade screening. Both elements are satisfied on the Bodycam record. The TSA agent told the subject twice he could not pass. He forced the gate anyway. Federal prosecutors had a complete case file. They declined to charge it, and that declination is the first lesson in this video, not the last. The state framework picks up where the federal framework was abandoned. Florida Statute Section 843.02. Resisting an officer without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor. The Florida Supreme Court in Polite v. State confirmed this is a general intent crime. Knowing obstruction of a lawful duty is enough. The 4th District in State v. Dennis went further. Tensing arms, bracing hands, refusing to present wrists for cuffing, each of these alone constitutes resistance. All three appear on this body cam. The state had multiple paths to conviction before the cuffs even closed. The use of force is governed by Graham v. Connor, 1989. 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediate threat, active resistance, federal security breach, crowded checkpoint, sustained physical resistance. Every Graham factor weighs in favor of the officers. The force itself was minimal, soft, empty hand control distributed across multiple officers. A taser was called for and never deployed. No strikes. No intermediate weapons. A Section 1983 excessive force claim on these facts would not survive qualified immunity. The verbal warning matters legally. Quote, "If you keep resisting, you run the risk of getting hurt." That sentence, captured on Bodycam, documents that the subject understood the lawful command and chose to disregard it. Trained officers issue this warning precisely because it forecloses future litigation. The disorderly conduct charge, under Section 877.03, reaches conduct that affects the peace and quiet of those who witness it. A multi-officer takedown at an active checkpoint with hundreds of travelers present satisfies that element on its face. The subject's profanity during transport was protected speech under City of Houston v. Hill. No officer added charges for words alone. That restraint is the line between a clean prosecution and a federal civil rights lawsuit. Charge stacking on protected speech is the fastest way to lose qualified immunity. The supervisor's post-arrest interview produced a recorded admission of motive. The subject said he forced the breach because he was afraid of missing his flight. He volunteered the statement. Under Miranda, voluntary statements outside of custodial interrogation are admissible. The state got its case in the subject's own words.
Talk to me. What happened today with you?
I can almost miss my flight. I ain't got nowhere to go.
So what happened? What caused all this craziness?
I'm trying to get to the front so I can make it to my
So
flight.
this was all about you just trying to get to the front of the line?
Yes, it is.
So talk to me. What happened?
They act like they don't want to let me in.
Who is they? The TSA
band.
guys?
I don't know. I gotta
Okay.
get home.
So this all happened because you tried to get to the front of the line?
Yes.
Okay. So did you hit somebody?
No, I didn't. I didn't harm anybody. They grabbed me.
You gentlemen good?
We're good. Appreciate it. We're good.
Rifles and stuff.
Thank you.
Appreciate you guys.
No, appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Did you have any other property that we need to be aware of?
I got your wallet, and I got your cell phone, any book bags, any fanny packs, anything like that.
Okay. Where were you trying to head off to today?
I go to Memphis.
Memphis? Are you out on bond, probation, anything like that? Have you ever been arrested for anything? Okay, good stuff. All of this for trying to get there any faster? Was your plane going to be, were you going to miss the plane or something?
Yes, I can miss my
What time was your flight?
It's on my phone. It's almost 7 o'clock.
It is almost 7 o'clock.
Exactly.
It is almost 7. But for you to act like this and have to go put us through all of this, what was that over? What, for
What's
nothing?
gonna happen? If I didn't do that, nigga, I gonna walk off, go somewhere and be stranded here and ain't live here.
No, nobody was trying to strand you here, sir. That was
Like,
not
when
our
I told him
intention.
I need to get to the front,
Okay.
it makes it like he won't let me through.
Did you not talk to like a supervisor or something like that? Let him know?
He is a person that's standing right there, bro.
Okay. All right, I'm asking you. I wasn't there.
He didn't, nah.
I'm asking you. I wasn't there. I was trying to work this out so it didn't get to this level. So the whole thing was that you were just trying to get up there to make your flight, and it's got it, and then it escalated from there.
Yeah.
Is that what I'm getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you understand my point is you got all these officers there trying to get you to cooperate with them, and you're acting all.
Grabbing me hard. I'm sitting down. I'm calm like, alright, but you ain't gotta start touching. He touched me.
Who is he?
The dude, the first dude in the blue shirt.
The blue shirt?
That's who first started pushing on me. Like, why you don't do that? I don't care who you is, but don't start putting your hands on me.
Okay. Ladies, gentlemen, Sergeant Stites, how you guys doing? So who actually had the issue with him? All right, you probably said this already before, but help me understand exactly what happened.
So I'm working the queue out front.
Okay.
He comes by and he's like, he just tried to walk through. I said, sir, you can't do that. You got to go wait in line. He goes, I'm not
Did
making.
he go around the screening area? That's what you're saying?
No. First, he came through the middle
Okay.
of the two queues.
He came up the middle of the two queues while everybody was scanning on each side.
Everybody's
Okay, I'm
in
with
line.
you.
So I told him, you can't do that. You got to go wait in line.
Okay.
He's like, I'm not gonna miss my flight. So then I watched him, and he bypassed everybody. He's just going across right to the front. And I went up to say, yo, you can't do that. He said, you ain't gonna pay for me to stay, whatever.
Okay.
I'm not missing my flight. And then I was like, you can't do that. So when he got to TDC, I told my guy, I said, don't scan him, don't do anything. And that's when I called for OPD and soup.
Okay.
And he was like, and he just walked by.
Now, when you say he walked by, you mean like he was trying to make his way to the tram? Or was he going back the other way?
He was walking by the first part of the checkpoint.
Okay.
Where they check your ticket.
Where they check your ticket.
So we walked by there, and he kept going. I said, yo, you can't do that. That's why I called the second time for OPD and supervisor.
Heading towards the metal detector.
Right. He was heading towards the MAG and the AIT.
Okay.
So then, I don't know how the side gate got open.
I opened it for an officer
Oh.
that was coming through, and then he tried to come through, and I don't let him through. So I tried to close on it, and he pushed. He forced his way through.
Did he actually pass to go through?
He actually passed and went through. So that's when
So
I
then I-
called breach. That's when I called.
And then I jumped in and held him back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know what his intent was.
When you said he passed through, that's where he was with the metal detector at that point, right in that area?
The side door.
The side door, which is the ADA gate.
Okay.
So you had the MAG, the side door, and then
So how did he get back to where the metal detectors were? Where we
because
actually
he
came
came
back?
through the side.
Because he came through the side.
He pushed his way in, and
Okay.
that's why I held him from going any further.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did he strike you? Were you hit? Were you,
No.
Okay.
No.
Did you guys strike him?
No.
Okay.
I just pushed him.
You just pushed him back?
Just held him there. That was it.
Okay. And what was he doing at that point?
Push him back.
Okay. All right. I'm just trying to understand the whole thing, how it all went, because like I said, I got there late. So we're going to pull the cameras and all that
So
other
then
stuff.
everybody, that's when all the
OPDs came and got
then
him,
they
right?
started fighting with them.
But he didn't strike you or hit you at this point?
No.
He just tried to force his way through to make his flight. And that's pretty much what he told me in there. He said,
Y'all must gonna take me home or something.
I'm sorry?
Y'all must gonna take me home or something.
No, you're under arrest.
Exactly. Get the home, cuz now. Like I said, I gotta get home.
All right, man.
Who's supposed to go ahead?
We'll worry about the cuffs in a second. Get this out. Has no wheels. Come on, Tyler.
I
Tyler.
might as well carry me. I don't care how they say.
Tyler, are you going to do that? You're going to catch another... Hold
I
on.
don't give a
Gentlemen.
I need to go home. Put the camera on, cuz.
Camera's on, Tyler.
Cuz.
Tyler, listen to me. You're a grown man.
And I am.
You acted like a grown man when me and you spoke.
I don't care. I don't care, cuz. Like I said, I need to get home. I ain't worried about nothing else. Y'all made the issue. If y'all would have let me through, I would have been on the plane. Home.
How old?
I'm 20.
All right.
Man, y'all would've gone
The longer we
that
take,
shit.
the longer it take for you to get out.
I don't care. Fuck how the still gonna get home. I'm gonna sleep at night. I'm sleeping no jail. Y'all.
You're under arrest.
You
If
under
do not-
arrest
do
for
not
living
want
here.
to
Y'all don't even know how to
resist
live. Create a whole new system. We all should just die and God should redo this
We'll take
shit.
them. Just
Y'all
put them
crazy
at the
as
door.
hell.
Give me your bag. Give me your stuff. Put your arms under and over your
I'm
shoulder.
not supposed to camera out there like a tombstone. I don't care no more. I'm not resisting arrest no more.
Yes,
Hey,
you are.
you
You're still-
No, I'm not. I don't care.
By not walking.
All right, let's go.
I don't care, cuz.
Really, Tyler? You're gonna act like you're gonna act immature about this?
Like I want to lock me up.
No, we don't want to do this. You did this to yourself.
I'm a prisoner. So
You're not a prisoner. You're just under arrest for your behavior.
It hurts. You don't walk.
You don't want to walk.
You can walk at any moment.
Yeah, like brute.
No, you're acting immature.
No, y'all acting like
You're acting immature.
Now I'm just a bad person.
No, you're.
Get home.
Nah, we're good, brother.
Y'all been so
Then walk like a human being.
Put him right at the hood. Search him.
I don't have nothing. I'm telling y'all, bitch ass searching me now. Bro, stop. This shit hurt my arm. Y'all that's crazy. What if you got an attitude with y'all? Y'all like I robbed somebody. Y'all need to go arrest somebody who actually did some shit. Stop searching me. Bro, what is up with you? Ain't shit on me?
It's good.
What is y'all job? Come on now. Y'all ain't got shit else to do with y'all lives. Ain't shit in y'all brain but to do some shit somebody else told y'all to do. Y'all ain't lost in the world. Don't got no soul for real. You can tell. Ain't no piece of God in y'all.
There you go.
Grades. The Orlando police officers, an A-. Distributed empty hand control matched to the resistance level. Taser called for and withheld. Verbal warning before force escalated. Professional post-arrest interview. Points off for 1 tonal lapse during the secondary search. TSA personnel, an A. The screening agent identified the breach in real time, used minimum hands-on contact, called for OPD at the right moment, and gave a clean witness statement on Bodycam. That professionalism is what made the federal charging file complete in the first place. The subject, a D-. He had a real problem. He was about to miss his flight. He had lawful options: a TSA supervisor, expedited screening, airline assistance. He chose forced passage. That choice exposed him to federal time, escalated state charges, and produced a bench warrant when he failed to appear. Outcome: charged with resisting and disorderly conduct. Released. Attended several hearings. Failed to appear. Active bench warrant. No federal charge. No civil suit. Case in fugitive status. Lessons. 1. A TSA checkpoint is federal jurisdiction. Forcing passage is not a misdemeanor by default. It is a federal offense with sentencing up to 10 years. State prosecution is the lighter outcome, not the only outcome. Federal declination is not vindication. It is prosecutorial discretion that can reverse on the next incident. 2. Under Section 843.02, resistance does not require fighting back. It requires obstructing a lawful duty. Tensing arms, bracing hands, refusing to walk. Florida courts have held all of these qualify. The threshold for resisting is far lower than the public believes, and Bodycam captures every second of it. 3. The remedy for a perceived TSA error is a supervisor, an airline complaint, or a lawyer, never physical force. Forced passage converts a screening dispute into a federal criminal case in seconds, and once force is used, the original screening question becomes legally irrelevant. 4. Failure to appear is the silent case killer. Showing up preserves plea leverage, withhold of adjudication, and eventual expungement. One missed court date converts a manageable misdemeanor into an arrest warrant that follows you to every future traffic stop, job application, and travel screening for years. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts on the case below, and check out Street Bodycam for more police and courtroom content.